Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add talents option on your profile on BandLab Make Music Online. So you can see this is the website interface of BandLab. So what you need to do, you need to click here the profile icon and click the option settings. Then you scroll down, then here you'll see the option talents, like what you were, like if you're a guitarist, keyboardist, drummer, vocalist, songwriter, bass player. So a couple of options you'll get here. If you, I don't know, like if you're a vocalist, simply click on vocalist, and if you're a drummer, click the drummer. You can add more than one, so I'll just keep this way, vocalist, and click the update, and you can see profile updated here. If you go back your profile, then you will see like other people see what you are, like talents, you're a vocalist. So this way you can add your talents on your profile on BandLab Make Music Online website or application. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.